Alright guys, it's very windy. Look at the wind, it's very strong. I think it's in the level 10 or level 12. Shaking a little bit. I don't know how it can handle this strong wind. More than level 5 wind. Shaking a little bit. This is Dodong Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the old Mini. Right there. And the new Mini SE. I have this Mini S, maybe many long time ago, like maybe 4 years, more than 4 years. And I got this Mini like a week ago. You know, this Mini I have, it's a good drone. I don't know what level of wind this can handle, but I noticed this drone maybe like level 5 wind, it struggle. When you fly it in the high wind, like level 3 or level 5, this drone sometimes go tilt like that, tilt like they're coming to you. It struggle with the level 5 wind, this one. But still really a good drone. I still love it. I have this for a long time. Really good drone. So when I have this one, the Mini SE, see that Mini SE, I flew it the other day. You know, after the hurricane, the Hurricane Ada landed in somewhere other than other states like Louisiana or New Orleans, wherever landed the hurricane. The next day, they still have a strong remnant of wind in my area. So I try it. I tested if this drone can handle the level 5 wind. But that wind is like more than level 5. I think level 10 or 12 wind. When I flew this drone the other day, I was surprised because this drone is wow. It handled the strong wind really well. I was surprised. It shake a little bit, but I didn't see like tilted like this when struggle to the wind. Not like this one. The first Mini. If it's strong wind, it tilt like that. But this one, no. I didn't see tilting. Sometimes like shake a little bit because the wind is really strong when I blow this one. Just like rip to the wind. And it's still really fast, even a strong wind. I don't know what the company put this inside, because if you weigh it, it have the same weight. It's like 249 grams. See that? 249 grams. Drone. The same this one. 249 grams. I think there is a pack of electronic stuff here. New electronic stuff. What they put here in Mini SE compared to this one, the old Mini. The only thing is the camera is 2.7K, but still good compared to the Mini, the old one. So, and this is a lot cheaper than the Mini too. I think this is like, if you cannot afford the Mini 2, you buy this one. It's a $300 drone, really cheap. And the Mini 2 is like $600. But this drone is really good drone. The only thing is the camera is 2.7K. The Mini 2 is like 4K. But it's still good enough because I have a good video on this drone. I'm not surprised me that it handled the really strong wind. when I blow it. Wow, DJI did a good job on this. So guys, watch the video when I blow this one. It's really, really good drone. Alright guys, see you later. Wacha Mini SE. Alright guys, it's very windy. Look at the wind, it's very strong. I think it's in the level 10 or level 12 wind. I'm gonna test this Mini SE, how it handle the wind more than level 5. Company claim that this is can handle up to level 5 wind, but now I think it's more than 5, between 10 and 12. It's really windy guys. Let's try this Mini SE. Alright, here record. It's really windy, really windy. It's more than 5 level. It's in between maybe 10 or 12 wind level. But let's try this Mini SE. Let's go guys. Let's see how we can handle the wind. Shaking a little bit. I don't know how we can handle this strong wind. More than level 5 wind. Shaking a little bit because of the strong wind. Woo. The wind is really strong. Stay afloat. How strong is the wind? Shaking. Let's fly a little bit higher. Alright, here's the remote. Look at that. It's up. Let's fight the wind. Well guys, that's a Mini SE is floating despite the strong wind. Despite the very strong wind, it's right there, it's floating. We're able to fight the wind.
Very strong wind, but yet it still able to handle the strong wind, guys. Right there, guys, floating. My Mini SE is floating despite the strong wind. It's right there. Ooh, shaking. Woo. Man, shit. This this Mini is very stable even in a strong wind. Even though it was so strong, we were able to slash to the wind.